backside of a outdoor kitchen wall. We're gonna be building 2 sliding doors with a partition wall in the middle. Here's a look before we get started. It's exposed and open to the elements, so we're gonna be closing that off and adding some shelving in there. All finished up with the enclosure here. So we have 2 sliding doors, one right here, and then a wall. So that slides open. There's a track. Stain's still wet, so there's that side. Put a little shelf there. So what we did, we didn't want to take away from this build, the existing structure. We wanted to add on it, but made sure it went with it. So we left the beams exposed and put the shiplap on the inside. I think it turned out great. Subscribe, like, comment for more videos like this.